Okay, I want to quickly show you how to do J cuts and L cuts, which these might be new to you as well. So, okay, the J cuts and the L cuts follow the shape of the actual edit. So, for let's go for these two shots here. Okay, I'm going to lock off my audio so that I can show you a J cut. So a J cut would have the audio coming in before the video. So I've locked off my audio so that stays where it is. I can then bring my playhead back, and there we go. So that there is a J cut. Okay, so the audio comes in just before the video. This can be used in several different ways. If your audio comes in like even 4 or 5 frames before the video, which is like quarter of a second, that will give you kind of almost a transition. If you consider that as a diagonal, it will smoothen the flow of the cut, and it also give a punch to the audio. So if you've got a chase scene or even a key going into door and a close-up, if you hear that key going in just before you cut to the close-up, it's going to bridge that gap. If you hear the impact of like a skimming around the corner in a chase before you cut to the close-up of the feet scraping and twisting and turning before they shoot off, that again will add that impact. So that would be if you use it in a small way like this. Let's do L cuts as well. L cut obviously is the other direction. So we're now going to look at the initial shot instead. So here we have an L cut instead. On this side, you can see the L shape there. So here the audio is continuing to go and the videos became in beforehand. Why would you use this? I think the main reason you'd go for this sort of thing, and which will work with both J's and L's, is when you get into second year, you're going to be doing a lot more dialogue scenes. You've been doing dialogue scenes anyway. So with dialogue scenes, you need to then work out when you want to see the person talking, when you feel it's necessary to cut to a reaction shot. All these things will be worked out with overlapping audio of your dialogue. You don't want half your sentence in the shot of the person speaking, then cut to the reaction shot with the person speaking's audio from the other shot. You want to continue the audio from the shot of them speaking. That sounds like gobbledygook, but that's purely how we speak in Yorkshire, and hopefully it does make sense. So again, this is a very simple thing to do, but it's something else to really think about. Really thinking about the flow of the edit and why you're cutting there. Why are you cutting? Why are you showing people what you're showing them? What is the purpose of it? And this is why editing is really exciting, and why editing can give you a million different versions of the same thing, and genuinely a million different versions. So that is a very quick L and J cuts. With your music videos, again then, so you've just got your music at the bottom there, so it's not quite a J cut or an L cut because we're just working with video. But if in the audio we hear the person start to sing and it's like a scream or something, if you cut the video in 3 frames into that scream rather than at the start, again it's going to give an extra punch. Okay, strong syllables to cut on: B's, D's, T's. They've got a really strong 1-syllable cut, whereas an M has got a really soft feeling to it, and an N, S. Okay, so there's different places to cut them, but if you want an impact on a really strong syllable, then that's how you can do it. And that will, again, help click people in. I think I'm going to stop that one there. That was very brief, but there we go. Thank you.